Homemade syrups cures cough and removes phlegm from the lungs. Coughing is natural reflux of the respiratory tract to eliminate microorganisms that are affecting the airways. In many cases, we look for medication at the pharmacy to solve the problem, but they end up not being very effective. One of the best natural remedies for treating coughs, throat infection, and respiratory infection is a syrup made from onion and sugar. In today's video, we will talk about the combination of these two ingredients and what benefits you can get from them. Number 1. Calming a throat. Throat irritation is one of the main cause of cough. A syrup made with sugar and onion can help relieve this irritation. By reducing the discomfort in the throat, the cough goes away. Number 2. Expectorant. Mixing sugar and onion makes for a great expectorant. The syrup works by softening the mucus and clearing the lungs, which helps take care of a cough. Number 3. Antibiotic. Most cough medicines found in pharmacies only have expectorant action, but end up not helping much to fight the infection that caused the cough. The onion, on the other hand, is rich in sulfur, which helps to eliminate the germs responsible for respiratory infection. Number 4. Reduces inflammation. The onion is able to reduce inflammation in the airways, which helps alleviate common problems in respiratory infection, such as difficulty breathing. Number 5. Anti-allergen. If that's not enough, the onion has a natural antihistamine called quercetin, which helps bring relief to some typical symptoms of allergic reaction, such as cough. The mixture of these two ingredients uses different ways to give us relief. Now that you know the benefits of this syrup, we will teach you how to prepare it. This is very old and very popular home remedy due to its effectiveness, and best of all, it can be used by both adults and children. Ingredient: 1 onion, sugar. Instructions: cut the onion into slices. Place these slices in a large pot and layer them. Put a layer of onion, then a layer of sugar, other onion, and another of sugar, and so on, ending with a layer of sugar. Pot to keep ants and other insects away and let it rest overnight. The next day you will find the glass with the honey colored liquid. This liquid is a syrup you should